Ano ang sabi? Today, pumunta po ako dito sa Mitsubishi, dito po sa C5 along Pasig. Kasi nung nakita ko po to, sabi ko ito yung isang sasakyan na nakikita natin araw-araw pero hindi natin siya pinag-uusapan madalas. It is very underrated. Kaya today, siya ang pag-uusapan natin kung gaano siyang kaimportanteng sasakyan sa mga buhay natin. Ito po, ang Mitsubishi Versa Van, which is also a Nissan Urban. Let's go! Kung di pa po kayo nagsasubscribe sa channel ko, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Or questions? Is it for families, small business owners, fleet operators, or is it just another pang-negosyo van? Well, mukhang lahat po na yan, sakop ng van na to. And vans, for in general, let's break it down. Bakit nga ba hindi maluluma ang isang sasakyan na katulad nito? In terms of value, usability, and all that. Pero bago tayo mag-dive deep sa mga pag-uusapan natin, let's talk about ano ba talaga siya. The Mitsubishi Versa Van or the Nissan Urban are basically the same vehicle. Underneath, mechanical, same body, same diesel engine, same rear-wheel drive setup. The engine is a 2.5-liter turbo diesel, 18-seater capacity kasi namomodify nyo po yan kung gaano lang ang gusto nyong ilagay ng mga upuan. But on this setup, as you can see, 4 rows at the back, it means pang 18-seater siya. Sliding door, ladder frame construction. And of course, my favorite part for a van, yan po, manual transmission. Hindi po siya ginawa to be flashy. Hindi po siya ginawa pamporma or whatnot. Kaya yun nga po sabi ko sa thumbnail ko, it's built to work. Kaya binibigyan na rin kayo ng clue what this vehicle is for. Kasi on the other side of the coin, ito pong van na to, hindi po siya for someone who's looking for a luxury ride, comfort-oriented family users. Kasi ala kakasahan dito ng mga captain seat sa gitna or something. More on long drives po siya. Hindi siya yung pang daily short rides within the city. Kasi ang laki nga po niya. At kung ikaw yung tipong pampogi points ang hanap mo na sasakyan, hindi po ito yon. Kung big deal din sa'yo yung soft suspension, fancy infotainment system, screens, yung plush ang interior, SUV-like refinement, ala po dito nun. And that is completely okay because this van wasn't designed for use or people like that. Kasi po ang number one target ng van na to is, it's for a passenger transport vehicle. Example po, nagsha-shuttle po ng mga employees sa isang company, airport transfers, provincial vans, yan, number one po to. School service operators, hotel and resort shuttles, yung mga ganun pong operations. Why does this van completely make sense? Siguro magandang tanong po yan. Well, sabi ko nga, it seats up to 18 passengers, strong diesel engine, fully loaded po yan sa loob, kayang-kaya po niya, big deal po yan. Rear wheel drive, well, kasi po, better po ang traction for uphill and loads. Ang harabas, heavy use, durable ang suspensions kasi design nga po siya to carry heavy loads. Easy ang maintenance, parts are available everywhere. A van, for operators, comfort is secondary. Ang nagmamatter po kasi is reliability and profit per trip. And that's exactly where this van shines. At hindi lang yun, para saan pa siya pwede? Well, dyan yung small and medium business owners. Let's name a few: construction suppliers, catering services, event companies, logistics startups, mga water refilling stations, pwede po to, at mobile businesses. Napaka-popular po ng van na to because it's dual purpose talaga. Sabi ko nga kanina, na modify ang mga upuan, you can have it to be in a huge cargo space inside, built to carry heavy loads, the doors open wide sa likod, sa gilid, kaya madaling mag-load at mag-unload ng gamit. Like sabi ko nga, moving people every day, goods at night, nag-ooperate ka 6 to 7 days a week, talagang panalo ka sa sasakyan na to. Alang arte to It doesn't complain, hindi mo siya kailangang i-baby. Sabi ko nga, pangharabas to. You just need to maintain it properly and that's it. Well, sabi ko nga, it's really underrated kasi you see it every day, pero kung titingnan nyo, grabe talaga ang naitutulong nito kasi in a way, this vehicle, it's a standardized platform. Madali lang po siyang magamay, proven ang reliability. Kaya mga business operators, if you look at it, they don't buy this for looks. They buy this for the total cost of ownership. In that regard, kasi this van is a safe, conservative, low-risk choice. Talagang andun ka sa side na panalo ka talaga. Now, this might surprise some people kasi especially families who live outside the city. Alam mo yung mga pamilya na they travel together, have extended family gatherings, kasi maraming nga may sasakay yung sasakyan na to. And to be honest about it, you choose this van because of the need, not the want. Okay lang sa'yo na i-give up yung refinement, ride comfort, yung modern tech. Kasi tingnan mo yung dashboard, it's really simple. But I like how everything is positioned. That's how I see it. That's why I really like this van. Kasi i-give up po it, but then on the other end, you gain space, reliability, cheaper long-term ownership than luxury vans. It's a practical family choice, not an emotional one. Alam naman natin for the longest time, with so many new vans, MPVs na lumalabas na sa market, commuter vans still sells. Well, simple reasons lang po. Proven reliability, familiar mechanics, big time po yan. Easy repairs anywhere in the country. It's designed for Philippine roads and business-focused value. And for decades and decades, this van right here, this platform, has already proven itself. So the question is, who is this really for? Well, basically it's for people who need to move people, products, businesses, communities. It's not about style, about comfort, it's about function and income. Kung ang vehicle na kinakailangan mo is you will use it as a tool, an investment, a livelihood, this van totally makes sense. But we understand reality is, if you want like a personal daily driver, a premium experience, comfortable family cruiser, absolutely there are better choices out there. But at the end of the day, this van right here is a practical investment. Speaking of investment, dito po sa Mitsubishi Motors, dito po sa C5 Pasig City, ito po ang pricing ng Mitsubishi Versa van. Pasyal na po kayo dito, madali lang po makita ang kanilang showroom on the right side if you're going to BGC. Sa pagtatapos, para sa akin, I pretty much said a lot of things about how great this vehicle is. Ang masasabi ko lang po dito, kung ito ang magiging sasakyan mo, sobrang mamahalin ka, mga kamag-anak. If you found some value in this video, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po, drive safe, and I'll see you on the next one.